Hey you guys, I wanted to get on here and show you how I made this face mask out of a sock. I have the other sock that matches this right here. So I have a pair of scissors that are very dull. I got these from the Dollar Tree, I believe. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this sock and cut from the top. We're going to leave the foot part alone. So I'm going to cut about 6 inches. But first, see, this is a really thick elastic, you can tell on this sock. So I'm going to cut that off first. I don't want that on there. Let me cut that off. Okay, so I'm going to cut 6 inches of this sock straight across. Okay. Okay, so this is what we got. This is a part your foot normally goes in. We're going to put that over here to the side. We don't need that. So here's what we're left with. What we're going to do is cut. We're going to cut it open. Only one side, don't do both sides. I know this is very unprofessional, but we're going to get the job done. Okay, so I guess I should have been showing you guys that part. Yeah, so we just opened one side. So here's what it looks like. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back the way it was. And I'm going to cut on each end, but not cut all the way down. This is what we're going to use to put our ears through. So we're not the side that's open, but the side that's closed. We're going to start cutting from there, and we're going to cut down, but not all the way down. You're going to stop about 1/2 inch before you get to the bottom. So let's do that. And you make sure you got it pretty wide. So start about where my finger is. We're going to start there and cut down about 1/2 inch from the bottom. Okay. So here's what that looks like. And when you open it up, we'll do the other side so you'll see the whole picture. Exact same thing on the other side. Okay, that's all you got to do. You're done. We're going to open it up. See here, you're going to take it and put a paper towel between your face and your mask and just attach it around your ears. See? You can fold it down to make it more comfortable. Make sure it's secure around your chin. Boom. Bibbidi bobbidi mask. All right, you guys. Well, I know this isn't 100%. It's probably not even 50% going to save you from viruses. But you know what it will do? If you sneeze or cough, it'll protect other people from those droplets. And it will help some. It is better than nothing. And you can clean these. You know, these are washable. That's another good thing about them. All right, you guys, you probably have plenty of socks that you can use. So get to cutting them socks. Everybody stay safe. Love you guys.